Hi, I'm Bob Brothers, and I'm in charge of the MakerSpace here at Canterbury Middle School. The purpose of MakerSpace is to allow kids an opportunity to build things, create things, work with their hands. There's no preconceived notion about it. It's if you've got an idea and you want to make it work, come to MakerSpace and we would provide a space, some tools, some problem solving in order to get your ideas to fruition. What we found is as people have come in and build these little kits, they start going, well, hey, I wonder if I can do this, or hey, if I want to do that. And that's exactly what we want the MakerSpace to be. If you judge from the way some of the kids come in here and they just like, whoa, this is so cool, to use a hammer or to use a screwdriver, they don't have a lot of that anymore. And I think that that's what the MakerSpace provides. Well, I got a couple ideas. Just went to a conference, a science teachers convention, and they had a couple of ideas of MakerSpaces. One of them was to create these goal-oriented contests. So the first thing we're going to do, they're going to make a wind-powered car, and then the goal is to see how far they can make that car travel. Put a fan at the end of the hallway and have them sit the car in it, and then see how far it goes until it stops. And then the idea then would be to take that car, tweak it, try different things, bigger sails, smaller sails, faster wheels, those kind of things, to see who can make the car travel the fastest. Which is really what the idea of the MakerSpace is all about, is to give it kind of a goal-oriented, but then how can you do it bigger, better, faster, make it cooler, make it fancier. I'm Bob Brothers. Thanks for watching.